Hey y'all, this is William Pow 9 on my PowerFlash TV account. So, as you can see, the USB cable came. I don't know if you can see it, but this is the one. Now I can plug this up to the laptop and then transfer videos to the laptop. How cool is that? Yeah, yep, it's way cooler. Yep, and I'm happy for that. Thank you. Now I can finally make videos on this video camera. It's so much better than using my phone, because it might be not all that great, but this is what I have to do for now. So talk to y'all later. Bye.